Inventory. It's the beating heart of your supply chain, and let's be real, it can make or break your bottom line. As a supply chain manager, you already know inventory isn't just stuff sitting on shelves. It's cash, opportunity, and risk all rolled into one. Too much inventory? You're tying up capital, paying for storage, and maybe even dealing with products that go obsolete or expire. Too little? You're missing sales. Customers get frustrated and suddenly, your reputation takes a hit. So where's the sweet spot? That's where inventory management comes in. Smart inventory management isn't about guessing. It's about using data and proven tools to get that balance just right. Enter reorder points, safety stock, and real-time tracking. Let's break those down. First up, reorder points. Think of it as your system's way of sending you a nudge before you run out of stock. It's calculated based on how fast your inventory moves and how long it takes to refill. No more panic orders, no more empty shelves. Next, safety stock. This is your buffer, your insurance policy against sudden spikes in demand or supply chain hiccups. It keeps you covered when the unexpected hits. And don't forget real-time tracking. With today's tech, you can see exactly what you have, where it is, and what's coming in or going out. That means faster decisions, less waste, and zero surprises. Now, why does all this matter? Because good inventory management isn't just about keeping stock on hand. It's about cutting costs. It's about freeing up cash you can reinvest elsewhere. It's about happier customers who know you always deliver. On time, every time. Here's a truth most people miss. Every dollar sitting in inventory is a dollar that's not working for you. The leaner, smarter, and faster your inventory process, the bigger your profits. That's not just theory. It's proven in companies across industries, from retail to manufacturing. So if you want to unlock profits in your supply chain, get serious about inventory management. Embrace the tools, trust the data, and fine-tune your processes. Because the right inventory strategy, it doesn't just save money, it turns your supply chain into a powerful profit-generating machine. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, in supply chain management, inventory isn't just an asset, it's your edge.